Hello everyone, welcome. This is Rajesh Trivedi, the Managing Trustee at Alert. And as part of this campaign, you all know that Alert is after a goal of reaching at least one in every family in training them in emergency care, as the goal given to us by the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And this dream is not going to be possible if not for collaborations, partnerships, patronage from across the walks of life, in which a lot of support coming in from the corporate world makes a sea difference in propelling this cause to reach the right kind of not to the deserving, and everybody. In fact, I mean, everybody needs to be trained in emergency response. So today we are going to be talking to Ms. Rema Totatil, the Chief Human Resources Officer from one of our patron, a sponsor, and a company that has stood steadily with us all the time, to give us that might to go forward and do our bit to the society, Bhavan Cybertech. So I take great pleasure in welcoming Ms. Rema to this conversation. Welcome, Ms. Rema.
Thank you, Rajesh, and hello to all of you. Happy to be here.
Thank you, Ms. Rema. Before I get started, actually, you have a very interesting profile yourself, and I see that your background is you've served in defense, and from there you've moved into the corporate world. Why don't you tell us a little more about yourself? It seems it's a very, very interesting profile that you have.
Sure, Rajesh. It's been an interesting career journey for me. Even more interesting as I tell this story to you now, because when I served the country, Mr. Kalam was our Supreme Commander. He was the President of India. So it's a proud association with Mr. Kalam's vision and what Alert is doing. And now I'm telling you the story. So I was from the first batch of women officers who joined the air traffic control branch for all the three services, and wore a white uniform, controlled fighter planes for good 10 years. So that was the start of my career. I'm really, really proud to have been there, and which was a unique opportunity for us women at that point in time.
Yeah.
And then I transitioned to corporates. I've worked with multinationals, very globally reputed organizations in IT, ITS, FMCG, and manufacturing. And currently with Bhavan Cybertech, managing the talent management for Bhavan globally. So that's where I am currently speaking to you.
Very, very, very interesting. In fact, I will have to have a separate conversation, really inspired always by anybody who has served the country. And of course, I'm very sure it's going to be very interesting to talk to you about those days of yours, controlling a plane to now, on the ground with the humans and as a chief human resource officer. So with totally two different things, and then I'm sure I will have a lot to learn from you on that. Why don't you tell us a little more about the company that you are working for right now, Bhavan Cybertech?
Sure. Bhavan Cybertech was established in 1999. We are a global provider for digital transformation solutions to our clients in areas of predictive analytics, digital experience, digital supply chain management. And we have delivered solutions in over 20 countries, across North America, Middle East, Far East, Asia, and Africa. We have been a trusted partner for over 1,000 plus customers, including Fortune 500 organizations, companies. And we have over 3,000 associates spread all over the world, and who are highly qualified technically and in domain knowledge, delivering customer value. So that is in short about Bhavan. I can go on.
Okay, now thank you for giving us a peep into what Bhavan Cybertech is into. Until recently, I was a part of the IT industry, so I always keep my ears open to know a little more about who are the players and what they do and what's the latest going on. And predictive analysis is one of the definite areas where a lot of need is there, and also most required for the future across industries. So, best wishes to Bhavan Cybertech to be leading this space, and to the entire team at Bhavan Cybertech. Now, beyond business, I also see, and of course at Alert, we are very fortunate to have Bhavan Cybertech supporting the cause of Alert, the cause of saving lives. And before getting into exactly the reason for this patronage, I also see that Bhavan Cybertech is involved in a lot of societal work, encouraging employees to be part of it, not just simply signing up projects, but then ensuring it also becomes a volunteering opportunity. Employees are engaged in it, so that becomes, I see that it's a culture. So can you talk us a little more about the philosophy at Bhavan Cybertech in engaging in social responsible activities?
Most certainly, we learn from the best. That's where I would love to start. BCT has always been a conscious and a compassionate partner and a caring partner, I would say, for the societies we are a part of, whether it is India or globally. Um, we are led by our beloved chairperson, Ms. Hind Bhavan, our co-founder and director and group CEO, Mr. Durga Prasad, and our esteemed leadership team. They've inculcated and nurtured a deep sense of humanitarianism in whatever we do in all our BCTNs. So therefore, it is more of a response to the society which comes very naturally to BCT and BCTNs. When presented with such opportunities, whenever we get to know, we involve ourselves as organizations, the social agendas, where we can be a part of that social change, where we can be a catalyst for bringing in that desired awareness and participate in this social movement. So that's why we see BCT in all these areas, and that's why Alert for BCT.
Very nice, very nice. I also interact with a few other companies, and one constant challenge everybody has is getting your employees engaged in what the company is believing in, and making it a home affair as far as inside the company is concerned. How do you go about doing that? Are you pretty successful in that, and how do you sort of encourage everybody to do that?
So I just mentioned, like, it is an inspiration. It's a top-down inspiration which comes. We see our leaders being that way. We see our leaders going out of the way, selflessly participating, and that is, that definitely, sort of inspires the next layer and the next layer. And it is just a what do you call it? It's just, thereafter, it's just a snowballing thing which happens, that everybody wants to be a part of it.
Mm-hmm.
And we actually, like, we participate with few other organizations also, wherein like we can be that partner in change for the society. So I would give the complete credit to the leadership team of BCT, who has sponsored it. Without the sponsorship, it is very difficult for somebody to on their own steam to participate in something.
Wonderful. So we're very grateful, thankful to the leadership at BCT. Yeah, completely grateful for setting such a great example, to employees and also overall to the industry. So may I now ask, you've been a very continuous patron to Alert's cause of saving lives. So, can I know from you, what this means to you, what this cause means to you, what this cause means to employees in the company, the leadership, and all of that you support. In fact, now you're supporting Alertathon as an event as well, and overall to the cause. What does this mean to you?
So that crucial time before the first medical intervention happens, or something happens, and what needs to be done in terms of saving a life, so that is that is not probably part of any curriculum. We all have generally learned first aid and first interventions and all that. How many of us actually remember any of those things? But what Alert is doing is to create as much of awareness in the society, in the people around us, to be aware of what needs to be done. It's such a life-saving mission, I would say. So needless to say that it is in total alignment with what we believe, that we believe in all humanitarian causes, and especially saving lives is like a very precious activity. And therefore, it totally aligns with the philosophy which BCT believes in. For me personally, yes, I've been trained in military, and learned a sort of things, a lot of things which we need to do in terms of managing casualties or criticalities. But how many actually around us know that. Maybe a simple act can actually save a life. A simple act of probably, loosening a tie, or making a person lie down straight in terms of when a person is suffocating, can actually save that life, and keep that person alive till the time the medical support comes in. Such interventions, such small things, such are big, are very big interventions when it comes to life-saving activities. And what Alert is doing is very commendable, and we passionately believe in that cause, that we need to spread this message, spread this awareness to more and more people, especially like both young and old alike. We need to do that. And Alertathon is and happening in the current scenario where the pandemic is gripping the entire globe, and we need to know, even in during this scenario, what needs to be done, what can be done, what would probably save a life. So that's a mission, that's a vision for Alert. And we as an organization passionately believes in being of help to humanity, and therefore the alignment.
Wonderful, wonderful. We are very grateful to this association, and also it was very nice for us to understand, where you come from, the philosophy and the beliefs, and I can relate to why this cause is resounding so much with people, specifically in the IT industry as well. Because as part of the IT industry, when I used to be working, I remember at least once every month or so, there would be a communication from our HR that something happened to somebody, right? Somebody had a mishap, somebody had a heart attack, all those kind of emails. And many a times, all the difference that it makes is that first few minutes somebody could have done something. So that's where we are, and that's what we want to address. And the goal again is ambitious, but it's not possible without support from people like you, companies such as you, for us to reach it out to as many people as possible. Thank you so much, Rema and BCT. Anything else you want to tell our audience who are listening in today, to appeal to them to sort of take to this, and why, more importantly, to how this becomes important to their families? You do not have to help somebody on the road, but then how important becomes your family. Anything that you want to say to our audience?
Absolutely. Thank you for that opportunity to say this. We believe, in defense, like when we were trained, there was this motto which was inscribed in our academy walls, which said, "The more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war." What it translated to us is the readiness, the preparation time we take for getting ready for war, or getting ready for a mission, helps us in executing that mission, without many casualties. I translate that directly into this, mission which Alert has taken on. The little bit of awareness, little bit of readiness, little bit of knowledge about some life-saving, activity, whatever it is, like whichever scenario we get into, you never know what you are going to face. But this awareness, this readiness, this helps to save lives instead of losing somebody to what could have been a savable situation. This preparation definitely helps. So take that little time to prepare yourself to know about life-saving activities, life-saving measures, which can be of help to you or to anybody who is near and dear to you. You never know when, God forbid anybody gets into that situation, but if something happens, this knowledge will definitely be handy, and you will be, able to save a precious life. That is what Alert stands for, and it is time for all of us to partake in Alert's activities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rema. A lot to take away from. So we recommit ourselves to this cause, and will appeal to more and more and more and more people to take on to this, so that we are living in a more medically aware and a socially conscious society around us. So thank you for taking time out to talk to all of us today, talk to our viewers. And also, I take this opportunity on behalf of the entire board of Alert to thank you, to thank your leadership, to thank BCT for your support to Alertathon and your continued support to Alert's cause of saving lives. Thank you so much, Rema.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajesh.